Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make this New England lobster rolls. Let's get started! First, let's add salt in boiling water. About 3 tablespoons of salt. And let's add the lobster. See? Let's cook this for 6 minutes. See you later! And let's submerge this in cold water. Yes, to stop the cooking process. Let's set this aside and let's prepare the seasonings. 1/4 teaspoon oregano, 4 teaspoon thyme, 1/4 teaspoon celery salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and some salt. And let's blend this to get a finer texture. Here's it, guys. Kind of powdery now. And let's save this for our roll later. And here comes the messy part, guys, but it's gonna be worth it. Let's take this off. Wow. And another one. The head. Oh wow, so good. And let's cut this part. Ooh, so put this aside. Separate this one. Oh, so easy. Bullet. Just pull it up. Okay. Oh, I did it! Yes, I got it. Now let's cut the lobster meat into bite size. And let's start cooking. And let's spread butter on the side of the bread. Let's toast this. Bottom as well. Let's add the lobster. This is perfect. And here's the roll. Let's cut here on top, halfway. Let's spread some mayonnaise inside. There you go. And the other one. And then let's stuff this with the lobster. Ooh, wow. Same with the other one. Let's be generous. We're home and you know, let's stuff as much as you can. Let's drizzle some butter. Okay. Squeeze some lemon. Oopsie. And the powder seasoning. Into it. Chives. Wow. Now let's try the lobster roll. Check this out. First bite. Oh gosh, believe it or not, it's really good. You gotta love this recipe.